Hey, hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So this is once again Prince here. So today I'm going to explain to you my game plan. What is that I am doing something very different from my usual trading style, something which I newly started in 2021, my game plan of 2021. I'm going to explain to you. It's nothing but contra trading. Okay, so what is this all about? What is this contra trading all about? It is very beneficial for all the system traders and mechanical traders. So you'll be getting full updates about this in this particular video. I'll try to give you an example. I'll try to show you my journal as well, how is it I'm executing it, my game plan, what's the mindset I need for it, what's the money management plan I'm doing it. All those things will be explained in this video, so stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full updates about this. And also, people those who are watching for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell button. You'll be getting lots and lots of ideas and tips and innovative ideas and strategies, live tradings, many stuffs, especially for the working people in this particular channel. And my next video is going to be about backtesting, everything about backtesting, what all you need to do, everything is going to be, I'm preparing for it. You'll be amazed, you'll be shocked to see that what are the criteria, what are the tests we have to conduct before finalizing a strategy. All those things I'll be explaining in my next video. So in case if you don't want to miss it, you can subscribe to this channel and also join my Telegram group. The link is available in the description of this video. Okay. Okay friends, so now coming back to the topic. Now, are you a systematic trader? Are you or I can ask you, are you a mechanical trader? So by mechanical trader, you know that we take a strategy and we backtest it. We find out whether it's good or bad, and then we stick to it for lifelong, not lifelong, for a long time, and then we keep trading it, even if it is positive or negative or losses or profit, whatever it is, we keep trading daily. So one problem which usually I hear from all the mechanical traders and system traders is emotions, the fear or the greed and the emotions which comes when when you see your capital is going down, and then you have to patiently wait till the capital comes up, and then it's a very horrible period, friends, trust me. But if at all you face this 2 or 3 times in your life, then you will be successful. But that many people don't know. What happens is that when their equity curve starts going down, that is, if a strategy start making loss and if it starts going down, they lose hope. They'll start thinking that the strategy is not working and all those things, and they skip. Okay, and that's a secondary topic. Now the thing is, what I want to tell you is, if you are a systematic trader and if you are a mechanical trader, then contra trading is best for you. So what is contra trading? So I got this recently, when I not recently, last year, when I was reading a book, a very famous book. I forgot the name. I'm very bad at keeping names. So I'll do one thing. I'll upload that book in my Telegram group as well, so that even in case if you also want, you can read on this weekend. So if you're not yet joined my Telegram group, you can join with the link I have provided in the description of this video. There'll be regular study materials provided, and all the updates which I'm having, I'll be updating in the group, so you can join the group as well. Okay, friends. So this contra trade is what? So the author says very clearly, if you are a systematic trader, try to trade in different countries, or different markets. So that is not possible for us. Reason because in India it is not easy that we can trade in other countries. Yes, there are methods, but it's not so easy. So what we have to do is we have to stick to our Indian market itself. Second thing, what he says is, if you're trading in one particular country, you can go to different segments like commodities or currencies or stocks and etc. That is one option where you can diversify and do it in different trade. But what I am trying to tell you is, I have done few modification tweaking. So what is that I do exactly is, I'll show you with example and with my trade details as well. But I'll just summarize it to you what I'm doing it. So when we get for example, there's a strategy available, and if we say, for example, Nifty crosses 15,000, there will be 50% of people who will be thinking that once it crosses 15,000, I will buy, and then I will ride the trend. I'll continue trading it. I will keep making profits and going as the market continues. At the same time, there is 50% of people who thinks that at 15,000 it will go touch and it will reverse back. That is called as mean reversion. Okay, it will come back to the mean. So what do you understand by this? Yes, obviously, if the trading has to happen at any particular point, there has to be equal buyers as well as seller. But what is it you can understand from this? From this, we can understand one thing is, friends, on any particular day, market is either ranging or market is always, trending. Two things can happen. So once a breakout happens, market can either go up or market can reverse back. Now, what I started doing now is, I divided this into two parts, nothing but directional trading and non-directional trading. And then I again divided my capital also into two accounts. So one account I am doing only directional trading, in another account I am only doing non-directional trading. The condition, most important condition here is the money management part, friends. I am keeping a ratio of 1:2. So what do you mean by 1:2? So for non-directional trade, for directional trading, if I am using 1 lakh, then for non-directional trading, I am using 2 lakh. Reason because the returns in non-directional trading is little less compared to directional trading. So in case if you make any loss in directional trading, your non-directional trading, in directional trading, then your non-directional trading has to make profit for you on that particular day. So generally what happens in directional trading, your accuracy will be very low. It will be around 40-50% ratio only. But in non-directional, what happens is your accuracy will be around 60-70% accuracy will be there. But the loss, what is made in directional, if it has to be recovered, then the money has to be double in non-directional. That is why the ratio 1:2. So mind you, if at all you want to follow this, please do backtest it. Please do try it yourself and then do it. It's not that you go jump it as soon as just because I told. Do your back test, do your analysis, and you find it out, you'll understand. I'll show you my journal also, which I'm maintaining from January, and I felt it so happy seeing that, seeing the returns. You can just look into it. Close to, I can say, 65-70% accuracy, including everything I'm saying. Okay, so I trade multiple strategies. So what are the directional strategies which you can use? There are n number of strategies. You can go through my channel. There are many directional strategies which I've uploaded. Coming to non-directional strategies, again I have uploaded straddles, strangles, then again the non-directional like covered calls, hedging, spreads. All those strategies are available on my video. You can just, on my channel, you can just go through my channel and you can select any strategy. But what I'm trying to tell you is, whatever you're comfortable, please select one strategy and then keep it for non-directional and keep one strategy for directional. Now coming to the execution part, you might say it will be very difficult to manage both. Yes, friends, it's humanly not impossible, but it's very difficult for a person to do directional and non-directional at the same time, because our mind works in that way where we always look out the people those who are doing directional trading, they always look out only for the breakout. But when you come to non-directional trading, you have to look towards the mean reversion. So what happens is, it's very difficult to do two trades at a time. So one thing which I can suggest you is algo. You can make use of algos. I'm using algos these days. Or otherwise, best option is make use of trade run. If you want to do straddle or the strangle, you can use trade run. Trade run is very simple. The strategies are already available for free on trade run. You can just go and log in and then you can subscribe. You just have to link your account. Okay. If at all you want to join trade run, the link also have provided in the description of this video. You can just join trade run. It's not that I'm marketing trade run. I'm only telling you that in case if you don't know anything about algo, if you don't know to code algos and all those things, come on. Straddle and strangle is a very commonly used strategy and very simple, nothing scientific about it. So in case if you want to make use of algo, you can use it. It is available on trade run for free. You can just subscribe to any good performance. I mean, any person, just see the performance and then you can select it. Okay. Now, when you do make use of algo, what you can do is non-directional, you give it up to the algo, let the algo run parallelly, and then the directional trading you can do it manually yourself, or vice versa, whichever you're comfortable. But generally for directional trading, the strategy might not be available in trade run. You might have to code it, and coding also is easy in trade run. You just have to click your buttons and then make your own strategy. Many videos are available on YouTube as well, so you can just go through. The point which I'm trying to tell you here is, divide your capital into two parts. Do both the directional and non-directional. So on any trending days, your directional trade will give you very good profits, and non-directional will give you losses or minimum losses. When when market is not trending and when it is moving sideways, obviously your directional trade will make losses for you, but your non-directional trade will recover this loss. Now you might say me, sir, one is losing, another is making, one is making, another is losing, so overall it is getting tallied, it might become zero. This was the fear even which I had, friends, trust me. That's why I told you law of averages has worked out beautifully for this contra trading. Okay, that is why the name contra trading, because one is opposite to the other. One is doing directional, another is doing non-directional. It is like you and your brother, or you and your friend. One is doing that strategy, one is doing this strategy. Okay, as a trader, you know that if a buy has to happen, another sell has to happen. So just think in that way, that you are doing both, but both are not correlated, both are non-correlated, and one is directional, one is non-directional. So in directional, you can do any breakout strategies, my overbid strategies, the recently uploaded ones, or many things are available. You can select which you're comfortable. For non-directional, keep straddle or strangle, or there are many other non-directional studies of my own which I've uploaded, and all those things. So you can just go through that as well. Okay, friends. So I'll just try to show you my journal. So in case if you have little more any confusion, you can just understand by that, seeing that. And any other doubts, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My customer care will get in touch with you if any doubt is there. The number is 8095876525. And if you want to ask any doubts personally to me, you can mail me. My email ID is angeltradingfriend@gmail.com. Okay. Now let us look into our Excel. So this is the equity curve of my account. So it's a very proud feeling for any trader to see this kind of equity curve. Initially there we went up, and then again we had to come down. So this is a drawdown, we can't skip it. It's common, all the traders have to face this. And then you can see now the curve is beautifully going. So let me just first show you. So this is my directional trading. This is the journal which I maintain for directional trading. I have not noted down each and every trade's details. This is the account MTM, whichever comes end of the day. I'm just noting it down. Reason because I almost trade 8 strategies. Okay, so it's very difficult to maintain all. Now I come to a level where I'm just keeping only the MTMs only. So I trade in index, that is in Bank Nifty. I use ORB strategies. I also use the King strategy which is taught in the workshop. So almost 4 strategies. Yeah, 4 strategies. I use algo as well as manual trade as well, and I do in my equity stocks as well. One of my favorite strategies which I did in the ETF mentorship programs, that also I'm using it now. So overall profit is around 5 lakhs, but just look at the summary. So total 31 trades, out of which 14 were profitable and 17 were losses, and we have a win rate of around 45% and loss rate of 55. It's common. So direction trading, it's common. This kind of thing. Return on investment as of now is 20% as of Feb 16th. Thanks to the budget. Although I traded very small quantity on the day of budget, it gave a very good profit. But January was not good for trending strategies, that is directional trading. We had very less returns in January. Okay, so but you see now, this is what I was talking about. When you see this kind of continuous losses, you can see here 46, 49, 56 issue 2. Although I try to keep it very small, I keep my limit. What has happened here is continuous losses. Whichever trader, it will really test his patience. He will think about, oh come on, should I change the strategy, something is not working, and etc, etc. Okay, so this is where the contra comes into play. Now look into my non-directional trades. This is my non-directional trades taken. So I have kept a capital of 50. So in directional I had a capital of 25, so I have doubled it in non-directional, that is 50, and the profit is around 5,95,000. In this you can see, I'll just show you the summary. Total 31 trades, out of which, okay, so in this win rate is 39% as of now, friends. Don't come to conclusion so fast, because we have still a huge, lot of time. You know that due to budget and also recently the premiums have increased so much, there is no hardly any decay itself. Even after doing straddle or strangle, there was hardly any decay. That's the reason you can see there was very less accuracy as of now. But try to consider both as a separate account, separate strategies, and trade accordingly. So as long as you are in profitable in each segment, each segment, you are well and good. It's your profit. Okay, so we can see, although the win rate is only 39%, let us look into the summary. Yeah, the total. This is the total. You can see I just combined both. You can see the formula, everything is just combination of both. So it's 75 lakh. This is the beauty, friends. You see here what is happening. You just look into summary. Okay, this is nothing but the addition of the directional and the non-directional. I just added everything, all the columns. Look into the summary. Out of 31 trades, 19 are profitable. The win rate has gone to 61%. This is the best part of doing this contra trading. You understood what I'm trying to tell you? And it will really control your emotions. You can see regular profits, although it's not very big, small profits, and also when you are making losses, the losses are very small. Okay, if at all you have to note down your details, you can note down. I have not tracked all the trades. I have just written the MTM of all the strategies I'm doing. So as I told you already, I'm doing strangle, straddle for the non-directional, and also making strategy which I'm teaching in the workshop, which is especially for the non-working people, full-time traders. And also for directional, I'm doing my equity which I thought, and as well as the king strategies I'm doing. Okay, so this is a beauty. Look into the summary. We are having a return of around 14.91% as of February 16th. It is little less, but thanks to budget, we got very good profit on the day of budget, but till then it was very bad. So best part is this one. Average win rate has increased from 40, in that range of 40-45. It has come down, come up to 60-70, and I'm expecting this directional non-directional trading to give more better accuracy. As of now, a little less because of whatever has happened, the budget, and there's no decay. Even on 15th 16th also, if you have seen, there was no hardly any decay in premium decay. So this is how it is going now as of now. But the best part is this, yeah, it smoothens up, your win rate is increasing, and this is the contra strategy which I'm talking about, which I'm recommending you as well. Do your analysis. It's not that you just have to jump in just because I jumped in. I initially kept a money management of 1:1, but then whenever there was loss in directional, it was the non-directional was not recovering it. That is why I doubled the capital in non-directional and made it 50 lakhs. But you have to do your analysis, whatever you're comfortable. It's not that you need big fund or anything. Even if a small fund, 1 lakh you can keep for directional, 2 lakhs you can keep for non-directional, and you can test it. It will be very, very nice. You can see this kind of performance, but treat both as separate accounts and separate analysis, and do your homework. It will be very, very nice. Okay, friends, so any other doubts, any other confusion, always you can ask me on on the comment section on the YouTube. I'll try to reply to all your doubts. And further, if in case you want assistance or support from me, you don't forget to mail me. My email ID is angeltradingfriend@gmail.com. And for additional services, you can get in touch with my support team. The WhatsApp number is 8095-876525. And last but not the least, in case if you want to join Upstock or Alice Blue or Angel Broking, use the link which I have provided in the description of this video. And in case if you're joining with my link, you'll be getting discounts on my workshops and webinars as well. Mind you, workshops and webinars are for full-time traders. If you're working, then you might have to use the algo. So be prepared for that. So this workshop was specially designed for the full-time traders who are sitting at home like me now. Okay, friends. So thank you and have a nice day.